Imagine a hidden power within you, a master reset button that cleanses your body from the inside out. Picture your cells, vibrant and thriving, buzzing with an energy that fuels your every move. This isn't science fiction. It's a profound biological process, an inner physician working tirelessly to keep you young and healthy. What if you could consciously activate this system, unlocking a new level of well-being and cellular rejuvenation? This remarkable process is known as autophagy, which literally translates from Greek as self-eating. It's your body's innate and essential system for cellular maintenance and recycling. Think of it as a microscopic cleanup crew that patrols every cell, identifying old, damaged, or dysfunctional components. These could be misfolded proteins, worn-out organelles, or even invading pathogens. Once identified, these cellular waste products are encapsulated in a double-membraned vesicle called an autophagosome. This package is then delivered to the cell's recycling plant, the lysosome, where powerful enzymes break down the waste into its basic building blocks. These raw materials can then be repurposed to build new cellular structures or be used as fuel. This elegant mechanism is so fundamental to our understanding of physiology that its discovery earned a Nobel Prize, highlighting its critical role in sustaining health. So how do we flip the switch on this powerful inner physician? The primary trigger is a metabolic shift from a state of abundance to a state of scarcity, most commonly achieved through calorie restriction. When you are constantly eating, your body is in a fed state. A pathway called mTOR, which stands for Mechanistic Target of Rapamycin, is highly active. mTOR promotes growth and cell proliferation, effectively telling your cells to build and store rather than clean and repair. When mTOR is active, autophagy is suppressed. However, when you reduce your calorie intake or enter a fasted state, your body senses a shift in energy availability. This activates another key enzyme, AMP-activated protein kinase, or AMPK. AMPK acts as a master metabolic regulator, signaling that energy is low. It then deactivates mTOR and flips the switch, initiating the process of autophagy. This is a brilliant survival mechanism, allowing the body to efficiently manage its resources and repair itself during periods of perceived scarcity. Activating autophagy unleashes a cascade of profound health benefits that touch nearly every system in the body. By systematically clearing out cellular junk, it acts as a powerful anti-inflammatory agent, reducing the cellular stress that contributes to chronic conditions and aging. In the brain, this cleanup process is crucial for maintaining cognitive function. Autophagy helps clear out the protein aggregates like amyloid beta and tau that are linked to neurodegenerative diseases. This cellular housekeeping supports sharper memory and better mental clarity. Beyond the brain, this process enhances the function of vital organs. It helps the liver detoxify, allows muscles to repair and grow stronger, and supports cardiovascular health by maintaining the integrity of blood vessels. Ultimately, by optimizing cellular function and reducing the accumulation of age-related damage, autophagy is considered a key pathway for promoting longevity and extending your health span. Harnessing this incredible internal power is more accessible than you might think. Simple, practical strategies can effectively activate your body's self-cleaning cycle. Techniques like intermittent fasting, which involves restricting your eating to a specific window of time each day, are highly effective at triggering this metabolic switch. Even adopting a calorie-conscious diet or incorporating periodic, longer fast can signal your cells to begin their restorative work. It starts with simple choices: staying hydrated, being mindful of when you eat, and focusing on nutrient-dense foods when you do. By understanding and applying these principles, you can take an active role in your cellular health. You have the power to press that reset button, to engage your inner physician, and to guide your body toward a state of lasting vitality and resilience.